Artificial intelligence has taken the world by storm, transforming industries and automating countless tasks. However, despite its rapid advancement, AI has limitations that prevent it from fully replacing certain jobs. These roles require human qualities such as emotional intelligence, creativity, critical thinking, and ethical reasoning. Here are 8 jobs that AI cannot replace and why they remain irreplaceable. The field of healthcare demands a deep level of human connection and understanding that AI cannot replicate. Doctors, nurses, and therapists work with patients in a way that requires compassion, empathy, and real-time decision-making. AI can assist in diagnostics and treatment planning, but it cannot provide the personalized care that human healthcare professionals offer. Patients often seek reassurance, comfort, and a sense of trust, which only a human touch can provide. The complexity of medical conditions often requires intuition, experience, and adaptability that AI lacks. Additionally, ethical dilemmas in healthcare require moral judgment that only humans can navigate, such as end-of-life care and medical ethics decisions. The human bond between healthcare providers and patients also plays a critical role in the healing process, something AI will never truly be able to replicate. AI has made significant strides in automating legal research and drafting documents, but lawyers and judges rely on more than just data analysis. Legal professionals must interpret laws in nuanced ways, considering the complexities of human behavior, ethics, and societal values. They argue cases, negotiate settlements, and advocate for justice in ways that require reasoning beyond algorithms. Judges must assess credibility, intent, and moral considerations that AI lacks the ability to grasp fully. Law is not just about interpreting words on a page, it requires an understanding of human nature, societal structures, and the ability to persuade and argue effectively. Courtroom proceedings involve spontaneity and adaptability, which AI cannot handle. Moreover, ethical considerations and moral reasoning, which are crucial in legal decision-making, cannot be programmed into a machine. Artists, musicians, writers, and designers rely on personal experiences, emotions, and cultural influences to create meaningful work. While AI can generate art, music, and stories based on patterns, it lacks originality, depth, and emotional resonance. The creative process involves exploration, improvisation, and intuition elements that remain uniquely human. Artists also engage with their audience, adapting and evolving their work based on feedback and emotions, something AI cannot genuinely replicate. Art is a reflection of the human experience, shaped by personal struggles, triumphs, and cultural shifts. AI-generated content may mimic styles, but lacks the deeper meaning and personal touch that human creators infuse into their work. Additionally, the relationship between artists and their audience is built on shared emotions and understanding, a connection that AI simply cannot forge. Psychologists, counselors, and social workers play a crucial role in providing emotional support and guidance. AI-powered chatbots can offer scripted responses, but they cannot truly understand the complexity of human emotions. These professionals listen actively, provide empathy, and respond dynamically to the unique circumstances of each individual. Mental health care involves trust, personal experiences, and intuition, which AI is unable to replicate authentically. Therapy is not just about diagnosing and prescribing solutions. It involves building relationships, understanding trauma, and helping people navigate deeply personal and often painful experiences. AI lacks the ability to truly empathize or offer personalized, nuanced responses to human emotions. Additionally, trust is a key component in therapy, and many individuals would struggle to open up to a machine in the same way they do with a human professional. Skilled trades, including electricians, plumbers, carpenters, and mechanics, require hands-on expertise, problem-solving, and adaptability. Each repair or installation job presents unique challenges that demand experience and judgment. AI-powered robots may assist in manufacturing, but they lack the dexterity, intuition, and real-world adaptability needed for trade work. Skilled tradespeople also provide customer service, build relationships, and adapt their work based on unforeseen factors, making them irreplaceable. These jobs require physical skill, quick thinking, and the ability to improvise in unpredictable situations. A human plumber, for example, can identify subtle issues, adjust techniques on the fly, and communicate effectively with clients' qualities that AI cannot replicate. Additionally, safety concerns and regulatory requirements in skilled trades require human oversight and decision-making, ensuring that work is done correctly and ethically. Teachers, professors, and educators do more than just deliver information. They inspire, mentor, and adapt their teaching to meet the needs of diverse learners. AI-powered educational tools can assist in tutoring and grading, but they lack the ability to understand individual student emotions, motivations, and learning styles. Education involves fostering curiosity, creativity, and interpersonal skills, all of which require human interaction. Teachers also play a critical role in shaping the moral and ethical development of students. Effective teaching requires not just the transfer of knowledge, but also the ability to engage students, adapt to their needs, and provide encouragement and mentorship. Students benefit from the emotional support and motivation provided by their teachers, something AI cannot offer. Furthermore, education is not just about academics, it also involves socialization, ethics, and personal growth, which require human guidance and understanding. Leadership roles require strategic thinking, emotional intelligence, and decision-making under uncertainty. CEOs, managers, and entrepreneurs navigate complex human relationships, inspire teams, and make difficult choices based on experience, ethics, and intuition. AI can provide data-driven insights, but it lacks the vision, adaptability, and interpersonal skills necessary for effective leadership. Strong leaders foster company culture, resolve conflicts, and motivate people, qualities that remain inherently human. If you enjoyed this discussion, make sure to like this post and subscribe for more insightful content. Share your thoughts in the comments. What other jobs do you think AI can never replace? Stay tuned for more updates on technology and the future of work.